Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your boy Coder Thanks, and in today's video I'm going to talk about JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level programming language. Why, you ask? Well, it's the most popular programming language on the web right now. It's because it is very fun to use. It's not complex at all. Well, it can be complex if you don't understand it well. It's very easy to learn, and it keeps it going. You can pick it up easily. So let's get into it. So this brings me to my first slide. So why would you want to study JavaScript? Well, I can give you 3 reasons. The first one is easy to pick up. JavaScript is somewhat easy to get started with, as it is a higher level language, which means JavaScript abstracts away most of the complex details of the machine so you can focus on learning how to program. What's more, you can get started with coding JavaScript straight from your browser without setting up any development environment, which is a reason many beginners seem to like. My second point I want to talk to you guys is that it is fun. It's very fun. JavaScript is mainly used for front-end development, and there are various tools that will allow you to quickly get a working prototype with JavaScript. Nonetheless, you should first focus on obtaining a solid understanding of JavaScript before you explore what the community has to offer. And the last point is that it is complex, and this is a good and bad thing. Well, it's mostly a good thing because it's good that it's complex because it makes you want to understand it more, so it can be easy for you. So the benefit of having complex is that it makes you work harder, and at the end of the day you're gonna understand it's gonna be easy for you. So although all browsers implement JavaScript, the same code doesn't necessarily behave the same way in different browser environments. So trying to figure out why your code works in Chrome, which I'm going to show you later, but not in Firefox, may sometimes be frustrating. Additionally, beginners may quickly find it difficult to grasp the concepts of how JavaScript works, and the language has several designs that make it easy for beginners to shoot themselves in the foot. Finding an experienced JavaScript mentor will likely help you stay on the right track and easier learning process. Well, you have me, so that's good enough, right? Yeah, that is. So, variables. What are variables? So, a variable in a JavaScript browser are containers that you can store values in. You start by declaring a variable with the var keyword, followed by any name you want to call it. So over here in this declaration, var stands for variable, my variable, semicolon, and then you can put a number or a string, a name. And becomes strings. So a string is a sequence of text to signify that the variable is a string. You should enclose it in a quote. So var my variable equals Nahum, end quote. And lastly, a number. A number doesn't need any quotes around to enclose it, so it's basically var my variable equals 10 semicolon. So that's the end of my slideshow. In my next clip, I'm gonna show you guys in my Chrome browser how you can get started with JavaScript, start to code it. It's very easy, and I'll get back to you in my second clip. See you guys.